A crash. A driver who refuses help, hurls slurs, and spits on the officer who came to assist her. 3 felony charges. And then, a CT scan that changes everything.
Hello.
What?
What?
I don't know. I'm not saying anything anyway.
You just said what? We're here because you hit a
Who are you?
I'm the police.
Perfect. Or do you f***ing special?
Where are you coming from tonight?
I don't know. Who are you?
What does my chest
talk
say?
Anything,
It says police. You're being rude.
Me, bro. Don't talk to me.
You're being rude.
Don't talk to me, bro. You special? You like a big boy? Are you? Okay.
You're going down a road you don't want to go down.
I don't even know who you are.
It says police.
Who are you?
Look.
Perfect. You think
Police.
you're special? Tough guy? I know who the f*** you are.
Who am I?
Get out my face.
Who am I?
Get out my face.
Who
You're
am
a
I?
special guy, aren't you? Get out my face, bro. Get out my face. Tough guy, get out my face. What? Get out my face. You think you're special? I'm gonna fucking shoot the fuck out of you. Get out my face. Get out my face. Get out my face.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Perfect, go.
I'm gonna take your sugar real quick.
Perfect, go for it.
No, just need your finger.
I don't like him. Get out my face.
Alright.
Too bad.
You're a fucking tough guy, aren't you?
Too bad.
You're gonna get fucking sued and you're gonna lose your job,
I
bro.
don't even know you.
So just like that.
No, get that stuff from me, please.
Okay.
I don't like you, bro.
I don't even know you.
What? You don't?
No.
Perfect, because I don't know you either. I'm sorry for this, but I don't like him.
I don't
You're
know
a tough
you.
guy. Powerpuff guy, aren't you?
I don't even know you.
Powerpuff guy, aren't you?
I'm so confused.
Yeah, I hope you are, because I'm going to shoot the fuck out of you, bro.
Good.
I can't wait. I can't wait to shoot the fuck out of you. Can't wait.
Do you have diabetes?
Tough guy, little Powerpuff dude.
Do you have
Little
diabetes?
Dick Bandit. Can't wait for your fucking ass to get sued.
Oh.
Please sue the fuck out of me, because I can't wait to sue the fuck.
You got an AIR?
What?
Yeah. Go get it.
Notice the officer's response. He remains measured, does not match her escalation, and repeatedly redirects toward her medical welfare. Not every person behaving erratically is choosing to behave erratically. Sometimes, the most important question is not what someone is doing, but why.
You're a fucking piece of shit.
I don't know what that means.
You know exactly who I am. You're my fucking best friend, my brother's best friend.
Who?
I know who the fuck you are. Don't no, not happening. Because I know.
He has to check your blood sugar.
There it is. There it is.
You just
There it
spit
is.
on me.
No, I didn't.
You just spit on me.
No, I did not.
You literally just spit on me.
You didn't fucking
You
sue
literally
me.
just spit on me.
Perfect. No, I did not.
At approximately 2 minutes and 46 seconds, the subject spits on the officer. Under Florida Statute Section 784.07 and equivalent statutes across virtually every U.S. jurisdiction, intentional spitting on a law enforcement officer constitutes battery, elevated to a felony, when the victim is an officer performing lawful duties. Physical injury is not required.
I'm telling you right now, you're fucked, bro. You're fucked. I can't wait to sue you guys. I'm telling you right now, please do this. Please do this. Please do this. I'm telling you right now, you guys are fucked.
Let them check your blood sugar.
I'm talking to you, bro.
I'm talking
to you.
She just spit on me. So.
Oh, I didn't.
You literally
Is
just
this
spit on me.
on- is
It's
this on
on me.
camera?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, I can't wait.
Yes.
Did I really?
Yes.
Oh, you're fucking getting sued, bro.
I'm getting
Oh,
sued because you
please
spit on me?
do. You're fucking damn right I am.
You want to check our blood sugar real quick, bro? Here.
Please do, please do, please do.
Let them check you then, bro.
Don't fucking touch me, bro.
Despite a confirmed battery, the officer does not immediately move to arrest. Under Graham versus Connor, force must be objectively reasonable based on the totality of circumstances, not the worst-case version of the threat. These officers are reading the situation correctly.
Touch my tit, you fucking... I know who you are. You think you're a fucking tough guy with your tattoos? You think you're a tough guy? You think you're a tough guy?
You're
You think you're a tough guy?
ridiculous, bro.
Yeah, I am. And I know you know who I am.
Who are you?
Because you saw me
Stop.
at the booking area. Fuck with me, bro.
Who?
Fuck with me.
Who?
Fuck with you, bitch.
Stop.
You.
Stop or you're going to get wrapped up.
I don't give a f. I fucking will sue the fuck out of you. Stop it.
Stop.
I hate you.
Go ahead.
And you know what the fuck I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. You think you're a fucking tough guy. You think you're a tough guy.
Relax.
I don't give a fuck. You think you're a tough guy?
Relax, bro.
You think I'm a cool guy? I can fucking do this to women. You think I'm joking? You think I got tattoos and everything?
Stop.
You're a piece of shit, bro. You're a piece of shit. You think you're cool, don't you?
You got your gloves, you can search it.
Yeah. I'm a cool guy. I'm a cool guy. Cool, do it. You ain't gonna find nothing, bitch. You ain't gonna find nothing. Touch me, touch me. I will shoot the fuck out of you. I'm gonna fucking get you too, bitch. You think I'm joking? I'm gonna fucking get you, bitch.
Relax.
Fuck you, bitch. You don't think I'm gonna get you? I promise you I'm gonna get you. I promise you I'm gonna get you. I promise you. You ain't gonna find nothing. I promise you I'm gonna get you.
And she allegedly hit something down there too. So,
Oh, fuck you. I should fucking hit you, bitch.
please stop.
No, you're a fucking piece of shit. You think you're cool? You think you're a tough guy? He thinks he works all of you motherfuckers. He thinks he's got you. Look at you right there. He thinks he has you. He's like, fuck, how you know my name? How you know my name?
Because it's on your tag.
Bitch, you think you're a cool guy. You think you're a cool guy. Shut the fuck up. Fucking shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. You think you're somebody. You ain't gonna find shit.
She got anything on her?
Nothing. I got shit on me. Nothing, bitch. Nothing.
That's what you're going to do.
You know all your friends, all these motherfucking beautiful nobody likes you. Nobody likes you. Nobody fucking likes you. Nobody likes you.
Relax.
I ain't done nothing to you, bro. I ain't done nothing to you.
Relax. No, you were fine until you spit on me, bro.
Did I? I apologize. Fuck, I'll spit on you again.
Well, too late.
Just kidding.
The subject's output loops rapidly. Threats, grievances, brief flashes of clarity, then collapses back into hostility. No one on scene can diagnose this. But the officer's instinct to keep asking about her medical state is, in retrospect, exactly the right one.
I don't have one. Just keep your body camera on. She's fine.
I have sued, and I'm gonna fuck you like that.
If you keep acting up, I'm gonna wrap you up in a fucking wrap because you're being ridiculous. So
Keep talking.
you keep talking. I'm gonna keep talking.
Time out. What'd you say?
I said if you touch any of these nurses, these doctors who are here to help you, you're gonna catch an additional charge. You're going to jail for a felony right now. I've really never seen her before.
I know.
I'll let the other officer.
You have a little. Fucking take it off. Here. Boy, what are you gonna do?
Nothing. We're getting you med cleared so you can make sure you're good.
Can't wait. Yeah, I feel bad for you too. I would feel bad if I was you too.
That's your worship.
Because you're a little dick bandit, aren't you? Don't touch me. You're my best friend's brother, aren't you?
I don't know
You're
if
a fucking piece of shit. I didn't spit, but I can pretend.
You're wild,
I'm a
bro.
somebody. I'm a somebody. I have a fucking teenage.
Put your
He lets
feet-
me know
put your
that
feet-
he says that you're a piece of shit. What you gonna do, bitch?
Relax, dude.
Get the fuck out of my face.
A CT scan reveals a small brain tumor, medically determined to be directly responsible for her violent outbursts. All charges are dropped. The governing principle is mens rea, a guilty mind. Under Morissette versus United States, criminal punishment requires a voluntary act. Where neurological impairment removes volition, the law cannot punish what the mind did not choose. The responding officer receives A-, composure under threat, proportional force, medical intuition that proved closer to the truth than anyone realized. The subject receives no grade. Medicine and law both recognize that distinction. The prosecuting authority receives A+. Knowing when not to prosecute is as critical a skill as knowing when to charge. What do we owe to people whose worst moments were not really their own? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching.